Welcome to BizWorld. Today I'm very excited to share a revolutionary supplement that could turn back the clock and transform your life. Are you ready to feel and live young? Fasten your seatbelts and get ready for takeoff as we travel back to your youthful days to experience the freedom of your mind and body. Since the 1990s, the world has become so obsessed with look and appearance to keep their age a secret. We are all striving to stay young and enjoy the days of our youth. The ultimate desire here is to be young. We are embarking on a journey in life towards good health and wellness, as well as to stay young and energetic forever. Being young is always labeled as vibrant, adventurous, dare to fail, impetuous, endless energy, and confident. Do you know that the human body is essentially a natural masterpiece which evolves over a long process? Our body is far more capable than what we could imagine. It naturally learns, evolves, and repairs itself. In fact, it's designed to live young. But over time, environmental and human body factors can disrupt natural youthful activity and accelerate aging. In simple terms, aging is the process of becoming older. However, at the biological level, aging results from the impact of the accumulation of a wide variety of molecular and cellular damage over time, which can lead to a gradual decrease in physical and mental capacity, a growing risk of disease, and ultimately, death. Every day we're being exposed to aging aggressors that can cause or accelerate aging. Some of the internal aggressors include natural aging due to modulation of aging genes, internal stress, irregular sleep, poor diet, and health problems. On the other hand, environmental aggressors such as harmful UV rays, pollution, and exposure to digital screens can cause damage to our body as well. All these aggressors surround us, constantly posing a threat to our body systems, resulting in advanced signs of aging in the body, even before we can feel or see the onset of aging. The effects of these aging aggressors can result in signs of aging such as wrinkles, sudden need for reading glasses, and fatigue. You might even be surprised when these changes happen earlier than expected, which is known as premature aging. Ever notice that the waist you used to have has now become thicker? Do you feel a sudden increase in the size of your hips and thighs? You might wonder what is actually happening to your body. Unfortunately, we need to accept the fact that our body composition and shape changes naturally as we grow older. Whether due to inattention to proper nutrition, physical activity, or other factors, with each passing year, most people gain weight. Obesity is one of the most blatantly visible yet most neglected, overlooked, or poorly understood world's largest health problems. Overweight and obesity both stand as the next major global epidemiological challenges. Globesity, which is taking over many parts of the world. According to the report from National Health and Morbidity Survey 2019, the prevalence of obesity in Malaysia is the highest. 42.4% of Americans are overweight or obese, followed by 41% of South Africans. The global average percentage of overweight people has more than doubled since 1980. Sadly, the data shown that weight gain throughout adulthood has become a norm today. Undoubtedly, obesity has become a major cause of global epidemic diseases. It remains as one of the biggest health problems in the world. As you can see, these are the top 10 global epidemic diseases of death around the world. Obesity is one of the major contributing factors for 7 out of the 10 diseases. How is this possible? This is because obesity itself is a chronic disease that can lead to and aggravate various medical conditions, such as hypertension, diabetes, cardiovascular, arthritis, and inflammatory diseases. In summary, about 70% of the chronic diseases are related to obesity. Thus, if you have extra deposits of fat accumulated around your waist, then you might want to start thinking about ways to have a trimmer waist, or else you might be at high risk of developing some major other health problems. However, there is an important thing to bear in mind, and that is obesity is not just about unhealthy diet and lack of exercise. Probably you've been told as you age, you can't eat like your younger self. That's because your metabolism tends to slow with age. Your metabolism begins to slow down by 1 to 2% per decade after hitting your 20s, making it harder to burn calories and easier to add a few extra pounds, even when you eat less than usual. While maintaining muscle mass is the key to prevent weight gain, but it can also be challenging because once you hit your 40s, you can lose as much as 8% of your muscle mass every decade. As a result, instead of losing weight as we planned, we are more likely to experience lower muscle strength and weaker bones, and increase in fat mass. You may not be able to avoid some of these natural changes, but this is not the end of the world. You can definitely slow down the process by making the right lifestyle choices and by nourishing your body with proper nutrition. As we age, the production of muscles and energy in our body is reducing, while large amounts of cellular waste and toxic byproducts are being produced at the same time. This happens because of changes in metabolism. One of the most noticeable signs of aging is that you will lose your youthful spark, where you begin to feel flat, sluggish, and out of shape, preventing you from living your dream of being young. Cellular detoxification. Cellular energy production and cellular muscle production are three important processes in our body. Aging occurs due to changes in the expression of our body cells related to these three processes. As a result, we'll be experiencing an increase of internal toxic burden and a loss of vitality. When these body cells are not working in harmony, it creates a downward spiral that can slow the body's ability to function well and make it difficult for us to feel like how we did when we were young. So what we need right here is the optimal detoxification process to get rid of toxins and waste that can clutter the intercellular domain and impede cell functions. Besides, cellular energy production provides the energy necessary for optimal cell function, and cellular muscle production increase the muscle mass for better metabolism. Combination of the benefits of these three cellular processes results in the re-establishment of more youthful functioning cells. Here, let me present to you the most sought-after, incredible, and magical supplement, iSolution. iSolution identifies, targets, and resets cellular health to retune your youth, helping you feel healthier, younger, and more vibrant than you have in years. It is a foundational product designed for all who are interested in wellness and youth preservation benefits. If you want to successfully get your youthful body, firstly, you need to understand the difference between problems and symptoms. The key is to find ways to solve the problems rather than just treat the symptoms. When you only fix the symptoms, what you see on the surface, the problem will almost certainly return and need fixing over and over again. However, if you look deeper to figure out the root that's causing the problem, you can fix the underlying issues all the way up the chain so that it goes away for good. If we take a look at the general products in the market, they merely address the signs and symptoms of aging, such as an aging appearance or reduced wellness. However, iSolution is specially formulated to ensure the causes of aging are targeted directly, instead of the symptoms alone, to retune and reset your youth, helping you feel healthier, younger, and more vibrant. What makes iSolution so special and unique is its ability to identify, target, and reset youthful cellular function. Our Smart Lab nutrition specialist team are well versed on how youthful cellular function impacted aging. Focusing on this clear objective, they develop products that support the youthful expression of these cellular to help us feel more like we did when we were younger. Through research findings, they identified natural compounds that oppose age-related changes. Now they can target the youthful cellular function related to 3-ups, which are cellular cleanup, cellular nutri-up, and cellular lean-up, leading you to live a younger life. So, what are these 3-ups actually, and how are they going to help you feel younger for a longer period? Introducing the first up, cellular cleanup. Detox your body, reverse the damage, and discover the new younger you. Every day unknowingly, we are interacting with a growing number of toxins in our body, which can be found in the cells, liver, colon, and blood. As we age, the detoxification process in our body can become less efficient, and our cells begin to accumulate damage, cellular waste, and toxic byproducts. Most of us are very much concerned about the environmental contaminants, but it is also important to target the buildup and damage from internal metabolism, such as breathing, converting food to energy, and so on, that happens over time in our body, which accelerates the aging process as well. Can you imagine what will happen if our metabolism is incomplete and waste substances accumulate in our body? The normal function of cell rejuvenation, protection, detoxification, and repairing process will be impaired, which will eventually diminish your hope and ability to feel young. Dietary fruity juice, a perfect solution for you to increase energy and cleanse body cellular waste for a more energetic, youthful feeling. It is an innovative weight management formula designed to bring lasting and positive change. It supports the body's ability to neutralize and remove waste and toxic byproducts from the body's cell system, giving you a total body cleansing effect. Dietary fruity juice optimizes the body's natural detoxification process, helping you to start each day feeling refreshed and renewed. Detoxification generally refers to the cleansing action of our body by eliminating or neutralizing waste through the colon, liver, kidneys, lungs, lymph, and skin. It is one of our body's most basic automatic functions in disposing accumulated waste matters. However, our body systems and organs that were once capable of cleaning out unwanted substances are now overloaded with pesticides, pollutants, and chemicals. Dietary fruity juice contains powerful ingredients which are lacking in today's normal diet that can help remove waste materials and toxic substances from the blood, liver, and colon. Boost up your natural detoxification ability today by replenishing these nutrients through consumption of dietary fruity juice regularly. Detoxification promises you a wide range of unimaginable health benefits. After undergoing detoxification, your body starts to rebalance itself. Energy levels will rise, your digestive tract is cleansed of accumulated waste and fermenting bacteria. Besides, after detoxification, the small intestine can better absorb daily essential nutrients from foods and supplements to be transported more efficiently to the required organs and cells. Moreover, your body will have better control on blood sugar, cholesterol, and body fat. Finally, a clean environment allows the cells to utilize the nutrients more effectively for energy burning, thus improving metabolism for better weight control. Therefore, if you are serious about losing weight, detoxification is the first step in crushing out stubborn weight sitting in you. Next, we have the second up, Cellular Nutri-Up. Let your body utilize the optimum energy production and unlock the power to regain your youth. As you already know, loss of physical strength, reduced mental acuity, and the lack of sexual desire are common signs of aging. Ultimately, what we call the loss of vitality. As we age, our bodies fail to generate and utilize energy efficiently, which can end up robbing our youthful vitality. It all begins deep inside each of our cells, where metabolism takes place to produce energy from the food. We eat to fuel our body. Here we can see the importance of nutrients from food, which controls metabolism and other chemical processes in the body. However, certain circumstances like genetic blueprint, imbalanced diet, aging, irregular lifestyle, and stress, as well as environmental pollution, can contribute to nutrient deficiency, which exists in most people's life. Nutrient deficiency can be so devastating because the whole process after consumption of food, until the end, can be slowed down or become incomplete within our system. So what can we do to ensure that we do not suffer from incomplete metabolism? At this point, we need supplement with broad-spectrum nutrients to activate all biochemical reactions, to allow all food nutrients to be metabolized efficiently. Dietary Meal Shake is a convenient, nutritious meal replacement shake that comes with a rich source of broad-spectrum nutrients your body cells need, while providing a feel-good sensation on your taste buds. Get a boost from Dietary Meal Shake as it promotes 3 dimensions of energy production that typically decline with age: physical vigor, mental acuity, and vitality. Did you know that a meal replacement usually refers to a drink, bar, or soup that is used as a substitute for a solid food meal, usually with controlled quantities of calories? Dietary Meal Shake is a beneficial nutrient-rich meal replacement, which improves the foundation of your daily health by supplying the body with broad-spectrum nutrients. When the cells are well nourished, it promotes an optimal metabolism for fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. With Dietary Meal Shake, get yourself recharged and refreshed to take control of your day with optimum cellular energy production. It provides broad-spectrum nutrients needed for the body to help activate all biochemical reactions, which allow all food nutrients to be metabolized efficiently. In addition, providing a broad-spectrum nutrient is one of the keys to maintain healthy bodily functions. In addition, broad-spectrum nutrients also help to promote new cell division and proliferation. Hence, it can increase the rate of cell renewal to maintain youthful cells. And finally, here we come to the third up, which is Lean Up. Shape your body the way you want, get toned, get fit, and feel young. You might wonder what is so special about muscle mass and why do we need to increase it? Our muscle mass plays a crucial role when it comes to fitness, strength, energy, and ability to live a healthier, more active life. When you increase your muscle mass, you boost your resting metabolism, and that makes your body burn more calories. The higher your metabolism, the more calories you burn, and the easier it is to maintain your weight or get rid of unwanted body fat. Well, even science says that there is a correlation between loss of muscle mass and the troubles we all dread most, such as weight gain, lower muscle strength, weaker bones, decreased activity levels, etc. Protein is the building block of your muscles. Therefore, adequate amounts of protein intake helps you to maintain your muscle mass and promotes muscle growth. In view of this, it's important to have sufficient intake of protein that helps to defy the aging process and promote youthfulness. Dietary Meal Shake as a meal replacement that provides you a good source of high-quality protein that can be useful in the fight against aging and sustaining youth. It contains rich source of amino acids, fatty acids, vitamins, minerals, dietary fiber, etc. that are important for health and wellness. It is definitely a premium choice as meal replacement that comes with appealing flavor and texture. This nutritious shake comes with a blend of amino acid from whey protein to help your body improve muscle protein synthesis that can stimulate the growth of lean tissue mass. Lean muscle essential to keep your muscles healthy with sufficient lean muscle mass. The metabolism improves gradually. Besides, numerous studies have shown that whey protein can help you increase strength, gain muscle, and lose significant amounts of body fat. Therefore, with Dietary Meal Shake, you can now get rid of unwanted body fat and build muscle, creating a stronger metabolic engine that burns fat more efficiently and keeps you energetic. Dietary Meal Shake is a high-protein meal. With just one serving of Dietary Meal Shake, you can get up to 17.7 grams of protein. Wow, isn't that amazing? Comparing Dietary Meal Shake with other foods, you can see that Dietary Meal Shake contains higher amounts of protein. For example, protein value of one serving of Dietary Meal Shake is equivalent to 2 glasses of milk, 3 full eggs, or 4 slices of cheese, and so on as shown here. iSolution identifies, targets, and resets cellular function to retune your youth, helping you feel healthier, younger, and more vibrant than you have in years. iSolution is integrating the magical effects of cellular cleanup, cellular nutri-up, and cellular lean-up, transforming your life for the better. If you want to prolong your youthfulness, all you need is iSolution. Supplement drink or functional beverages are formulated to provide the consumer with added health or wellness benefits beyond their nutritional value. iSolution is considered a functional beverage that positively affects one or more target functions in the body, such as reducing blood sugar, cholesterol, and body fat level to achieve an improved state of health and well-being. iSolution provides quick dissolving dietary fiber in a convenient sachet pack to support a healthy diet. For quick reference, soluble fiber cannot be digested and absorbed in the intestine. It binds to cholesterol, glucose, fat, and toxins in the digestive system and expels them out of the body before they are absorbed. Studies suggest that a greater intake of dietary fiber could provide numerous health benefits. Firstly, it may reduce the risk of developing cardiovascular disease through a variety of mechanisms, such as reducing total body fat and LDL cholesterol concentrations. Most commonly, we often associate dietary fiber with digestive health, and this is certainly true. However, dietary fiber provides significant overall health benefits that go far beyond supporting bowel regularity alone. When you consume dietary fiber in between meals, it can increase your satiety or feeling of fullness, thereby controlling appetite, cravings, and caloric intake. If you're considering or already on a weight management program, then dietary fiber is your savior. Apart from that, this miracle nutrient also helps to improve normal blood sugar level and slow the absorption of macronutrients from food. Lastly, iSolution provides detoxification effect to your body, flushing out those toxins and promoting healthy bacteria to thrive inside you. You'll notice your skin getting clearer and more hydrated. iSolution is also considered a healthy beverage blend, as the products are certified low glycemic index. The glycemic index, GI, is a value assigned to foods based on how slowly or quickly they cause increases in blood glucose levels. iSolution, which has low glycemic index, will have a slower, smaller effect on blood glucose levels and may confer health advantages. A low glycemic index beverage promises to deliver amazing health benefits. First, when you consume low GI food, the carbohydrates in the food will be digested and absorbed slowly, so you'll feel satisfied and keep hunger at bay after eating. This can help you to eat less at each meal or between meals, and thus support desirable weight management goals. Other than that, low GI foods cause a slow, steady rise in blood sugar level, which can improve blood sugar control and insulin sensitivity. Similarly, as low GI foods are broken down slowly, they trickle glucose into your bloodstream instead of quickly bursting into your system, providing long-lasting energy to help you perform at your best. Your concern is our top priority. To ensure you receive the best product with life-changing effects, iSolution comes with international certifications. iSolution is certified as low GI products by Glycemic Index Research Unit, Temasek Polytechnic, Singapore. Besides, it is also certified as a halal product by Jakim, providing full confidence for our Muslim consumers, and the GMP, Good Manufacturing Practice certification, ensures the products are produced and controlled according to high standards set. It is assured of quality, safety, and efficacy. The products have been verified as safe for consumption by accredited laboratory. In addition, the products have been tested and certified to be free from heavy metal and microbial contamination. Anyone with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity can also consume it without hesitation, as the products are gluten-free. Starting a new routine in your life by incorporating iSolution not only helps to peel off those unwanted pounds, but it also helps you to look young and feel better. What's next? All you need to do now is just look at yourself in the mirror and witness the dream you've been longing for, turning back the clock in an instant, regaining your youth. iSolution provides a perfect solution to say goodbye to obesity. Your transformation is more than a number on a scale. Muscle is more compact than fat, meaning it weighs more. However, the scale cannot distinguish between muscle and fat weight, only the total amount of weight you gained or lost. What matters here is all about redefining your body composition by maintaining more lean muscle to build a healthier, leaner you. The products are low in kcal, rich in fiber, and contain broad-spectrum nutrients, which is ultimately the best weight loss formula. If you're considering a healthier substitute for your meal, iSolution is the most ideal, healthiest meal replacement choice. In order to achieve an effective weight control, the most important thing to fully understand the basic facts of weight control. The fundamental rule is that when you consume more calories than your body uses each day, your body stores the extra calories as body fat, leading to weight gain. Therefore, to prevent weight gain, you must strike a balance between your calorie intake and your calorie output. The concept of energy balance is very simple. When you eat more calories than you burn, you'll gain weight. Eat fewer than you need, and you'll lose weight. So how does iSolution help in this process? Well, iSolution helps you to control your calorie intake while meeting the body's nutritional requirements at the same time. It is also a great source of high-quality protein that your muscles need, and most importantly, it helps to reduce food cravings by keeping your stomach full longer. By producing a great feeling of satiety, you can simply save 640 calories per meal when you consume iSolution, only 160 kcal, instead of one bowl of beef noodles, 800 kcal. So what can we actually do to burn the extra 640 calories? Some physical activities that you can do to get rid of that extra 640 calories you ate include climbing stairs for 60 minutes, playing ping pong for 120 minutes, or jumping rope for 45 minutes, and so on. Another best thing about iSolution is that it contains carefully selected thermogenic ingredients that work together to enhance the body's fat-burning ability naturally. The various nutrients in the products support the cellular function to metabolize fat quickly and to create a stronger metabolic engine that burns fat more efficiently, while providing you long-lasting energy throughout the day. Metabolism and weight loss are forever linked, as each one affects the other. People with high metabolism can burn more calories and lose more weight more quickly. iSolution helps losing weight while maintaining lean muscle mass, and it's a healthy solution to a more fit, younger-looking you. Let's shake up. Combining iSolution, a simple eating plan, and a more active lifestyle, you'll be guided on the path towards a leaner, healthier, happier life. iSolution is the perfect push to get you primed and ready for success. By resetting your body's cellular health, you can see a brand new you in just 14 days and experience all the motivation that comes along with it. Let me unveil the 14 Days iSolution program, an ultimate guide to effective weight loss. This is how the program actually works. Firstly, if you notice, we have SMART 1, 3, 5, which represents Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. During these days, make sure that you replace 2 main meals of the day, preferably breakfast and dinner, with dietary meal shake. Next, make sure you consume 2 glasses of dietary fruity juice per day as snacks in between main meals. And finally, eat 1 complete meal a day, most likely lunch, with approximately 600 kcal. For the 600 kcal meal, you're strongly recommended to include a high-protein, low-carbohydrate meal. A meal modified to high protein and low carbohydrate will help you stay fuller for longer and could ultimately help you lose weight. Next, for the alternative days, which include Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday, you can have a light meal after consuming dietary meal shake. An example of a light meal includes 1 bowl of bean salad or fruits, 1 piece of scrambled egg or baked potato, 1 bowl of mixed nuts, 1 cup of yogurt, or 1 PC of tuna sandwich. Most importantly, drink plenty of water throughout the day, at least 8 glasses, to get rid of toxins in your body. Water coupled with the fiber content assists with bowel regularity and gently flushes waste out from your body. You can use iSolution products in just 3 simple steps. Mix 1 sachet of Dietary Milkshake, which comes in vanilla flavor, with 250 milliliters of normal or cold water. Blend or shake vigorously before serving. For the citrus-flavored Dietary Fruity Juice, mix 1 sachet with 250 milliliters of cold water and drink it after mixed. Here we have some powerful and amazing testimonials from participants of the 14 Days iSolution program, who have achieved real success and transformed their lives after using iSolution products. One great thing about iSolution program is the prominent effect or changes on health, which can be seen and felt within short time. This chart shows the promising non-clinical results of 90 subjects aged between 25 to 60 years old who had participated in the 14 Days iSolution program. The findings from the 14 Days iSolution trial program show that on average, the body fat was reduced by 1.5%, visceral fat reduced by 3.1%, and body weight reduced up to 2.7 kilograms, while there is a decline in body age by 2.1 years. Apart from this, 90% of consumers also felt positive changes in fatigue levels while consuming these 2 products. Let's do it! It's never too early or too late to prevent the aging process. In the hustle and bustle of daily life, you should no longer ignore your request to reverse the effect of premature aging. It is our ultimate interest and desire for you to take advantage of this iSolution to get you the youthful modern life you're yearning for. Tea time, lunchtime, dinner time. Whether you're at the office, at home, traveling, or even exercising, no worries. Anytime, anywhere, iSolution is just right there for you. It comes in a chic and ultra-convenient sachet form, which is handy for you to curb cravings and burn calories anytime, anywhere. iSolution is BizWorld's most advanced supplement ever. It is designed to promote your youth span, to look great, lose weight. What are you waiting for? Make the commitment right now to transform your life in just 14 days. Incorporate iSolution into your daily life to enjoy the healthy, happy, harmony lifestyle. Thank you, and see you at BizWorld soon.